Hello aqua friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do this cute little snowman. So besides your paints, you will need some sort of masking to mask out your snowman and some salt. All right, I'm just going to show you guys real quick how this temporary adhesive paper works. So it comes in a big roll and it's quite cheap. I think I maybe buy this once every couple of years. Lasts a really long time. And instead of using masking fluid to paint out your snowman, this is a very quick way to mask out the snowman. So I use this type of paper whenever I'm trying to mask out large objects. So basically what you want to do, however you want your snowman to be positioned on the paper, you need to use this side of the paper, not this side. Otherwise it'll be the other way. But I've made that mistake before, no big deal. Just have to retrace it. So this is just tracing paper and then some carbon paper in order for me to get the shape on here. So you could even use a little piece of tape to tack down on your temporary adhesive paper and then put your carbon paper underneath. You could use a pencil, go over the same pencil lines or any sort of etching tool that you might have. And, you know, just like in grade school, we're just going to trace again our shape. All right, so there you have it. And then all you have to do is cut it out with scissors and apply it to your paper. For this transparent film that I'm using, I'll have that in the description of the video so you guys can check it out. We are going to start off with the background working wet on wet. Now, the perfect time to add your salt is when your paper is still shiny, and I am using some kosher salt for this. Now we're going to work on the foreground snow, wet on wet. Now, once your snow is dry, you can go ahead and take off the masking fluid or the film off your snowman. We're also going to paint him wet on wet. Underneath the snowman at the very bottom, we're going to add thicker paint for the shadow. I'm also adding a shadow effect to the snow underneath the snowman. That's really going to make them pop. For his cute little scarf and hat, we'll just work wet on dry. Now we can add the details of his face. You can also use a pen to do the eyes and mouth. Now I did decide that I wanted more of a pop of color for the green, so I am adding a second layer of this permanent green. To add his arms, I am just using a white marker. You guys just created a masterpiece. Congratulations. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time.